So let's see this uh, play again. So you can see the values are going horizontal and vertical. So it is changing as per the quarter. Fine. So each bubble represent a reseller business type. Changes in the bubble size reflect increase or decrease order quantities, while horizontal movement represent increase or decrease in sales revenue and vertical movement represent increase or decrease in profitability. Now, when the animation stops, select one of the bubble to reveal its tracking over time. Okay, so you can see this is the track of this particular bubble. Let's check for another as well. Great. So we are done. Hover the cursor over any bubble to reveal a tooltip describing the measure values of the reseller type at that point in time. Okay, so we can hover here and it will give you all the details. Let's do this. Let's see for this. Okay, so it is giving us different values. This is for quarter one and this is for FY 2020 quarter one and that was for different year. Now in the filter pane, filter by clothing. So let's go to filter pane and let's go to clothing. Filter by clothing only. So let's remove bikes and notice that it produces a very different result. Yes, so we can see a very different result has been populated here. Now we are done with it. Now save this Power BI file and save. So these names might change later, like when we will save from whatever has been given here, but that's not an issue. Now we need to create a forecast. In this task, you will create a forecast to determine possible future sales revenue. So this is important. Add a new page and then rename the page to forecast. So we have learned something new. Let's see this, what it will teach us. Add a line chart visual to the report page. So let's add a line chart to the report page. If you remember, this is the report page and we need to select the line chart. This is the line chart. You can see this is the tile which has been added, and in this also we need to position and resize it so it fills the entire page. So you can see we have done the similar way like as earlier. To add the following fields to the visual area: x-axis date table, date column, date table, date column to x-axis, and sales table, sales column to y-axis. Wow, this is something not very great, but let's see. In this filter pane, add the date year field to filter on this page. So let's go to filter pane and this date table year field to filter on this page. So this is filter on this page, date table and year. This is the year, filter on this page. Done. Now filter the card. In the filter card, filter by 2 years FY 2019 and 2020. 2019 and 2020. You can see the data is resizing. When the forecast over a timeline, you will